Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi omelette. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and set aside, then chop kimchi and scallions. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a little oil, sauté kimchi briefly to release flavor, pour eggs, and fold gently as they set. Finish with sesame oil and scallions, slice into wedges, and serve hot with rice or toast for a quick, savory meal. Start by heating oil and sautéing chopped kimchi for 1 to 2 minutes to evaporate excess moisture. Meanwhile, whisk eggs until light and slightly frothy. Add a splash of milk if desired. Pour eggs into the pan over medium heat and let them set at the edges before gently lifting to let uncooked egg flow. When mostly set but still slightly glossy, fold the omelet and plate immediately for best texture and warmth. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you see more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for all-day comfort, whether you're cooking or cleaning up. I love how they stay cozy during long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adjust spice by adding a teaspoon of soy sauce or a small dab of gochujang to the eggs before cooking. Toasted sesame, oil added at the end, brightens the dish, and scallions bring freshness and crunch. For extra richness, stir in a little grated cheese or a pat of butter just after folding. Serve your kimchi omelette alongside rice, toast, or a simple salad to balance the tang and make a satisfying meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.